Viking dishwasher VDB450ESS problem. The pot/pans and normal wash buttons blink simultaneously and beep. Cannot reset.
Are there any error codes or blinking lights on your Viking dishwasher? How old is it?
Installed 2011. Do not have original manual. Online blinking lights indicate error code, pan flood sensor disconnect. Could it be door latch causing problem?
How long has this been going on with your Viking dishwasher? What have you tried so far?
2 days. Occasionally by open and closing door, I can reset, and the dishwasher works fine.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
On pressing reset button, it will reset for 1 second without blinking lights, then the blinking lights and beeping reoccur.
Good afternoon. My name is. I'll be assisting you with your appliance today. Please give me a moment to review your question. These blinking lights mean you have a problem with your dishwasher leaking. There is a pan below the tub that is collecting water below all the pumps and such. A sensor inside this pan is getting wet, so it's letting you know there is a leak in the base. The dishwasher would need to be taken apart and the lower front panel below the door removed, possibly the entire dishwasher uninstalled and the back access panel unscrewed so you can look and see what is leaking. Repair the leak and you'll be good to go again. Dry the water out in the base below the tub and it'll start working again, but the issue will come back if there is still a leak. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.